and welcome back to another episode of
What to Do?
What to Do. Today, we're going to a place called Cove Spring Park in Frankfort, Kentucky.
That's right, and this place has something for everyone. If you don't like the woods, then it's got a nice little park area for you. And if you do like the woods, it's got a lot of trails for you to explore.
And if you're artsy-fartsy, you can do a lot of painting, or you can do what we're going to do in this episode.
Yeah, so stay tuned to see what we do. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button.
And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification to let you know when our videos come out every Friday at 6 o'clock. Also, as a quick note, we like this place so much, we went 3 times to get all of the footage that we could. One of which was getting really dark, so you might see some nighttime footage. You ready to explore?
I'm ready.
Get out of the video. This waterfall is called Hirsch Falls. And it was named after the people who kind of helped with this preservation area. That's how I know, right there. It tells you.
And I think it can be running a little bit more than this after a good rain.
Hirsch Falls is one of the first things you see walking into the park. I'm going to do the video's overview on this shot because waterfalls are pretty and I like them very much. Throughout this video, we're going to be looking at a few of the many things you can do at Cove Spring Park. We're going to come across some ruins, see the hiking trails, and near the end of the video, we'll show one creative activity that may take a little more effort, but it's still really fun. We saw some people partying in that pavilion, so I'm sure you can do like a picnic with your significant other, which is him.
There we go.
It's mine, not your
not
significant
yours.
other, it's mine. Kind of looks like a castle.
Yeah, so this looks like the beginning of one trail.
Castle entrance?
Maybe.
Going that way or?
Let's go this way. So this is basically the beginning. We just crossed a little bridge. Tell me about it, honey.
It looks like a castle.
That's incredible history there. Rapunzel, Rapunzel! Oh, you gotta get down there, up there first. Yeah!
I was a little curious as to what it looked like inside the castle. So although this was shot at dusk with minimal light, you can barely see that there are plants growing near the top and a little light reflecting on a pool of water near the bottom of the tower. There's a lot of open areas, and then there's another trailhead right there. So I don't know how many trailheads they have. So there's a lot of cool trailheads here. There's someone running over there. Hey!
You can go over.
You just scratched my backpack. Did you hear that? To me, the hiking trails weren't very unique. If you're in the area and would like a woodsy place to exercise, you can check these trails out. Maybe you can find something there that we didn't, since we didn't go on all the trails. There was another longer trail that's supposed to give you an incredible view of Frankfort. Near the end of this video, we'll show you a trick we found to make that experience even more amazing and unique to Frankfort. This is the activity we decided to bring to the park. We had a married couple join us for a double date and playing with photography. They had a camera and we had a camera, so we took turns photographing the other couple with the 2 cameras we had. This place was chock full of areas to take pictures with. So we're taking a picture like we do at the Leaning Tower of Pisa, which Will thinks is really cool, but I don't think it's that cool.
Yeah, but we're doing it at a tower that isn't at Pisa and not leaning.
And we're not in Italy.
Yeah. So it should be even more fun.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And he's super hot. He looks like a knight in shining armor right there. Ow, ow. These are some of my favorite photos that the other couple took. As you can see, there were lots of outdoor options to choose from. Even though we're all not by any means professional, it was so much fun to play around and laugh with the other couple. All in all, we had a great time. And one more thing. Remember that trail I was talking about that I said would give you a great view of Frankfort? Well, we found that if you stay until dusk, you get a great view of the city at nighttime. And the best part is, This location allows for lazy people like us because there's a road there that leads right to the outlook, so you don't even have to hike if you don't want to. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching another episode of What to Do. If you like this video, it would help us out so much if you hit that like button or that subscribe button.
How about both?
How about both? And we have a new video every week at 6 o'clock on Friday, so make sure you stay tuned.
Yeah, and if you know any cool places that we should go or you want the world to know about that only you know about, comment below so we know to go there. And
we've got a special surprise for you. We're going somewhere. Check out this preview. So we are about to go on a trip. We're in an airport. See if you can guess where we're going. Do you want to give a hint, Will?
It's not here.
It's not in Kentucky. So you got a 1 in 49 chance of knowing where it's going to be.
It was in the United States.
Well, that's your hint, is that it's in the United States.
There you go.